Good morning, dear children. Yesterday, we have studied how to find the derivative of implicit function. Now, today we will study how to find the derivative of inverse trigonometric functions. So, suppose we have to find the derivative of fx equals sine inverse x. Let us denote it by y. Let y is equal to sine inverse x. Then from here we can write x equal to sine y. Now differentiating it with both sides with respect to x, then the differentiation of x will be 1, and here we have to use the chain rule. First differentiate it with respect to y, it becomes cos y, and then multiplied with dy by dx using chain rule. From here we can write dy by dx equal 1 upon cos y, that is 1 upon cos, and what is y? From here y is equal to sine inverse x. So we can write 1 upon cos sine inverse x. Now it is defined only if cos y is not equal to 0, because if it is 0 it becomes undefined, and it means y should not be equal to minus pi by 2 or pi by 2, that is sine inverse x should not be equal to minus pi by 2 and pi by 2, that is x should not be equal to minus 1 and 1, because sine, if x is minus 1, sine inverse minus 1 is minus pi by 2. If x is 1, it becomes pi by 2. So we can say that x should belongs to open interval minus 1, 1. Now we can rewrite it as, we know that cos square y is equal to 1 minus sine square y, and sine y is x, so we can write it as 1 minus x square. Now since y, it belongs to open interval minus pi by 2 to pi by 2, because y is sine inverse x, and x belongs to open interval minus 1 to 1, so y will belong to open interval minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. Now it means this is covers our fourth and first quadrant, and in both these quadrants cos is positive, so while taking the under root we will take the only the positive sign here, so we can have cos y is equal to under root 1 minus x square. So we can write dy by dx is equal to 1 upon under root 1 minus x square. So the derivative of sine inverse x is 1 upon under root 1 minus x square. Let us do another one. Find the derivative of fx is equal to tan inverse x. Again, let it be y. Then from here we can write x equal to tan y. Then differentiate it both sides with respect to x. Then the differentiation of x is 1. And here we will use the chain rule to differentiate it. First differentiate it with respect to y. The derivative of tan y is sec square y multiplied by differentiation of y with respect to x, that is dy by dx. From here we can write dy by dx equal 1 upon sec square y, and we have an identity that sec square y is equal to 1 plus tan square y, and from here tan y is equal to x, so we can replace it and we have 1 upon 1 plus x square. So like this we can find the derivative of other trigonometric inverse trigonometric functions. We have derivative of cos inverse x is minus 1 upon root 1 minus x square, and the domain here, that is x, should belongs to minus 1 to 1 open interval. The derivative of cot inverse x is minus 1 upon 1 plus x square, and the domain here is real number. Derivative of sec inverse x is 1 upon x root x square minus 1, and the domain here is of sec inverse function is open interval minus infinity to minus 1 or open interval 1 to infinity. And the derivative of cosec inverse x is minus 1 upon x root x square minus 1. Let us do one more question of the exercise. Find the derivative of y equal to sine inverse 2x upon 1 plus x square. Here we will simplify the right hand side first, and for simplification we make the substitution here. Here we can make the substitution x is equal to tan theta, because we have a formula for that. So put x equal to tan theta, then it becomes sine inverse 2 tan theta upon 1 plus tan square theta, which is equal to sine 2 theta. So we can replace it by sine 2 theta, and then it becomes 2 theta. And from here, theta is equal to tan inverse x. So we can write y is equal to 2 tan inverse x. Now we can differentiate it, because now we have simplified the right hand side. We can differentiate it with respect to x. So dy by dx equal to, and the derivative of tan inverse x, we have just found that it is 1 upon 1 plus x square. So that's all for today. Thank you.